Welcome back to TechVibes. Are you looking for the best private App Store codes that work perfectly on your Google TV device? Today, I am testing 3 incredible online library codes right here on my streaming box. Whether you use a Chromecast, a Xiaomi box, or any television running the Google TV system, this guide is for you. These codes give you access to thousands of updated entertainment apps and media players. Let us jump right into how to set this up. First, we need to install the application that lets us access these private stores. Go to your home screen, navigate to your Apps section, and search for the Downloader application. It is completely free on the official Google Play Store. Once you find Downloader by AFTV News, click Install and let it download to your device. Before opening it, we must enable developer options so your device can install these applications. Go over to your device settings, select System, click on About, and scroll down to the Android tvOS build version. Click the center button on your remote 4 times until a pop-up says you are now a developer. Hit the back button, go to your new developer options menu, and ensure it is turned on. Finally, open Downloader, go to Settings, and allow it to install unknown apps. Now, launch the Downloader app and click on the white search box. Type in the short code 10381. This code will automatically redirect you to the installation page for the private store app. Once the page loads, click Download and then hit Install. After the application is installed on your device, select Done and delete the original installation file to save your storage space. Before you launch any of these apps or libraries, I highly recommend using NordVPN. To run any application smoothly on your streaming device without buffering or restrictions, turning on a premium VPN is essential. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below, so you can secure your device right now. Once your connection is protected, launch your newly installed private store application. Let us test the first library code. Type in EMDU2 as one single word with no spaces and hit enter. This store is incredibly well maintained. You can browse through the categories and see that the streaming applications are completely updated as of June 2nd, 2026. This library is my top recommendation because it has a great selection of stable apps. To download any app, just click on it once, hit download, and then install it to your television. Let us check out the second code. Return to the main screen and type in the word Fire Stick. Even though this library was originally designed for Fire TV devices, it works flawlessly on Google TV and Android TV boxes. It contains an entirely different set of applications for you to explore. Finally, let us try the third code. Clear the box and type in the word Everything. Make sure it is written as one single word without any gaps. This is my personal favorite library because it features a massive vault of utilities and media players. You can type these codes in either lowercase or uppercase letters, depending on what works best for your specific remote. That concludes our test of the 3 best library codes for Google TV. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like down below to support the channel. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions during the setup process. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated with more tricks for TechVibes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.